You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more food names, delicious Mexican food names and Spanish food names too, that many mispronounce, so stay tuned. Birria de Res is how it's said in Spanish. Birria de Res. Now in English you can say it as Birria de Res, Birria de Res, or Birria de Res. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.